Hello guys, our today's topic is solutions, learning points, define solution and its components, learn about the state symbols. Keywords. First is solute. A solute is a substance that dissolves in. Solvent. The solvent is a substance into which a solute dissolves. Soluble. When a substance completely dissolves in a solvent, it is called a soluble substance. And for insoluble, I will say that any substance when does not dissolve in a solvent, it is called an insoluble substance. What is a solution? A solution is a mixture formed when a solute dissolves in a solvent. For example, salt water is an example of solution. You can see salt when added in water gives salt water. This salt is nothing but solute. What was solute? The substance that dissolves in. This substance will dissolve in water. Water is solvent in here. What was definition of solvent? Solvent was the substance into which solute dissolves. So this salt will dissolve in water. What we'll get is a solution, which is salt water in here. Since this salt is white in color, hence the solution was colorless. If you take any colored solute, then you will get a colored solution. You can see this solution is red in color. Solubility. What is solubility? Solubility is how well a solute is dissolved in solvent. For example, if you take salt water, when you added salt to water, we can't see the salt particles in the solution. So, how well that salt has dissolved in water is solubility. Factors affecting solubility: size of solute particles, temperature of the solvent, choice of solvent. Water is a common solvent. It is used in drinks, water, paints, medicines, etc. Not all the products are dissolved in water. There are many other solvents as well, like ethanol, propanone, etc. It's time for you to think. So, question time it is. Place the correct sentences in front of the keywords soluble, insoluble, and solution. There are 4 bubbles given which define each of the following. Pause the video, think, and then check whether you're right or wrong. For soluble, the one which dissolves is soluble. Which does not dissolve is insoluble, and combination of solute and solvent is solution. There was one more bubble which said which is dissolved. So solute is the one which is dissolved. Into which it is dissolved is solvent. State symbol. Matter exists in 3 states: solid, which is denoted by lowercase s, liquid, denoted by lowercase l, and gas, represented by lowercase g. The state symbol are written in lowercase and in brackets. The state symbol is written in subscript. Subscript is written below the line. Okay. Many substances has water as its component and is usually written as aqueous. The state symbol is AQ, used for aqueous substances. For example, if we write an equation having magnesium when reacted with hydrochloride acid, then it will give us hydrogen and magnesium chloride. Now, magnesium is solid. When reacted with HCl, that is aqueous in nature. Hydrogen is gas which is formed, and MgCl is aqueous in nature. So you can see I have used the state symbols, and they are written in brackets in the subscript, and all are in lowercase. Well, another question for you. Which of the following does not represent state symbol? Out of these five, think which are not and which are the state symbol, and then check whether you're right or wrong. If you answered first, second, and fourth are the ones which does not represent state symbol, then you're correct, because state symbols are in bracket in lowercase and have just a symbol, not the whole word. Check out YouTube Shorts or Instagram handle or TikTok for related practice questions.